I made a video on how you can bulk delete WordPress comments using a plugin. In a situation where you don't want to install many plugins on your website, this video is for you if you want to bulk delete WordPress comments without installing a plugin. As you can see right here, I have 497 comments on this very website, and if I want to delete them, I can only delete 20 comments at a time. I won't be able to delete all at once. Let me demonstrate for you to see. So if I select all and go over to bulk actions, click on trash, apply, you notice that 20 comments is moved to the trash, as you can see, and I'm now left with 459 comments. So let's see how we can bulk delete all these comments at once without installing a plugin. To do that, you make sure you are on the comments interface. Then you go over to screen options. From here, you see we have number of items per page, which is set to 20. So what I'm going to do is, if I, for instance, set it to 300, then click on apply, it means that I will have to delete the comments twice. As you can see, I still have navigation here, which means I will have to navigate to the next section in order to delete the rest of the comments. Now let's go over to screen options again. From here, I'm going to enter the exact number of comments I have, or I can enter a figure which is a little bit above this number I have here. So if I enter 460, which is higher than 459, I choose apply, and you see that I don't have any navigation here anymore, which means that I'll be able to delete all these comments at once. So to do that, I go ahead and select all. Under bulk actions, I click on move to trash, apply, and you see that all the comments have been moved to the trash, as you can see right here. So I can easily go over to the trash. Then from here, I click on empty trash, and all the comments are gone. Perfect. So that's it on how you can bulk delete WordPress comments without installing a plugin. Now, if you want to prevent spam comments from your WordPress website, stick around to watch this video on your screen right now. Keep watching, and I'll see you in that video.